Hey Rockstars, welcome back to Recording Studio Rockstars. My name is Lid Shah. There's a train coming, hopefully you can hear it, but I've got an exciting box to open for you. This comes from JZ Microphones in Latvia, in Riga, Latvia. They make incredible microphones, and I'm gonna open this one up. We're gonna take a look at the new BB29 condenser microphone from JZ Mics. So get ready to rock. This looks like this is the mounting bracket for the microphone. And then this, I believe, is the mic itself. Okay, this is the BB29 holder that holds the mic. There it is, the BB29 microphone from JZ Mics. Studio condenser microphone. It's a single membrane, large diaphragm condenser mic, Class A, fully discrete hand-built circuit, transformer coupled output, has the unique Golden Drop Capsule built into it. It's a cardioid pickup pattern, and it's handcrafted and tested in Riga, Latvia by JZ itself. Plus it has a 5-year warranty. It has a little bit of a roll-off starting at 20 up through 30, so it looks like by about 40 hertz is where it starts to go flat. A little bit of a bump in the 500 range, I think that is. So a little bit of body to the microphone. And then you get a little bit of a presence boost above 1K up to 10K and rolling off down at 20, so pretty cool. And this microphone is designed to stand out in your mix. So JZ wanted to make a mic that would add presence and clarity to anything you record with it, so it makes it easily stand out in your mix. So the goal of the BB29, stand out in your mix. Let's check it out. This looks similar to the black hole microphone, except the black hole, of course, has the center cutout. But beautiful looking mic right there. And you can see these are for mounting on that particular shock mount for the mic. It's packed in there really well, so it's going to be safe in shipping. Here it is, look at that. Gorgeous. See the Golden Drop Capsule in there, shining in the light. And then of course down the bottom you've got a mounting bracket and you've got your XLR output. This particular mic has no switches on it, so nothing to select. Doesn't do any extra stuff that you need to worry about setting just right. You just plug this guy in and rock. So I'm going to use this on all my voice overdubs for the podcast for this next quarter, and check it out. I'm about to go hook it up in the studio and give it a listen. If you want to learn more about the BB29 or the Black Hole series or the Vintage 67 and V11 from JZ Microphones, just go to jzmic.com and check out their complete line of beautiful mics. They're all designed with the Golden Drop Capsule built into it, which is a really light, quick diaphragm design so that you get a great transient response and tons of detail in the microphones without sounding harsh. So these are great sounding mics, check them out. We'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm Lid Shah, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.